and welcome back to another video. My name is Caitlin and today we are making a dessert. So we're still trying to eat healthy in my house, and what I would like to share with you guys today is a zucchini bread recipe with some chocolate chips. So it's a dessert, but it's still like a healthy dessert. So this is a great recipe. It's got chocolate chips, it's got pecans, it's got a cup and a half of zucchini. So I mean, if you cut out the chocolate chips, it's really not bad as far as desserts can go, but it's a great healthy alternative to a dessert. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is start by adding all of the dry ingredients into our bowl first, and we're going to start with a cup and a half of flour, then a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of baking powder. We're also going to put in a half cup of white sugar and a half cup of dark brown sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then we're going to give it a little whisk just to mix everything together. Break up any of those brown sugar clumps, and now it's time to add the wet ingredients. So we're going to start with a cup and a half of zucchini. This is grated zucchini. I'm just going to tip that in there, as well as 2 eggs, a half a cup of canola oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and about a cup of pecans, if you like pecans. If you don't like pecans, you don't have to add them. And then we're going to mix that, break up the eggs, and mix all that together. And once everything's mixed, you're going to want to add a cup and a half of chocolate chips. Combine it. Alright, once you've everything mixed together and there's no lumps in it, you can grease a glass or metal loaf pan, and then we're going to transfer all the ingredients from here into here. So now everything's in the pan. You can preheat your oven, or probably preheat your oven before doing all this, but anyway, the oven is preheated to 350 degrees, and this will go in for, I'm going to start mine at 50 minutes. It may take 60, but I will check and let you guys know. Everyone's oven temperature differs a little bit, so just keep an eye on yours. Rule of thumb is, if you can put a toothpick in the middle or a skewer and it comes out clean, then your loaf is baked. So I will see you all back here once that's done. Alright, so it's out of the oven and it's cooled down a little bit, and here it is. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. If anyone decides to try the recipe, leave me a comment below and tell me how it goes, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!